Love that story. Thank you very much, Lauren. And now we're going to get a check on the forecast with Chief Meteorologist Lynette Charles. And I think the message today, Lynette, definitely keep that rain gear handy.
Exactly, because we have some showers still lingering out there this morning, Mega Night. We'll get a break in the action, but then that rain, shower, thunderstorm activity will come back as we head into the afternoon. And then we're going to be tracking Fred's remnants as we head into your tomorrow, bring more scattered showers and thunderstorms across the area. And some of those may be strong to severe. I'll show you that in a matter of moments. And then with all the rain that we've been receiving, the flooding potential will increase as we head into your tomorrow. So here's a look at the satellite and radar this morning. Not a whole lot of activity as of now, but there still is some few isolated showers still lingering out there. We will have some dry time and then more wet weather. All that moisture moving northward will be our weather as we go into the afternoon into your tomorrow. And you're actually seeing Fred down there swirling around Alabama, around Georgia for today, bringing flooding threats across that area. And Tropical Depression Fred continues to work its way on off to the northeast at about 14 miles an hour. The winds sustain now at about 35 miles an hour. It has weakened to, again, a tropical depression at this point. And Fred will be our weather as we head towards tomorrow. The remnants of Fred coming in here, bringing plenty of rain, but also the chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms out there as well. Now we go to Grace, Tropical Storm Grace. We have the winds sustained at about 40 miles an hour, moving to the west at about 16 miles an hour at this point. And it continues to reorganize as it heads towards Jamaica. That's what we're looking at with Grace here. And it continues to bring plenty of flooding across Hispaniola. And it looks like it's going to stay to the south in Mexico, away from the U.S. as we go in through the end of the work week. Lastly, we have Tropical Storm Henri. And Henri, the wind sustained at about 50 miles an hour. So it has strengthened some, but it's still moving very slowly west-southwest at about 5 miles an hour. And this looks to stay away from the U.S. as well. The temperatures out the door this morning in the 70s, basically across the board except for Deep Creek, the temperature there at 67. Good morning to everybody. A warm, humid start, just sticky out there with the dew points in the 70s once again. So the humidity is back in full force. It will stay that way as we continue through the remainder of the week. As we look at the FUTURECAST by the afternoon, that's when we're talking more scattered showers and thunderstorms developing across the area. And then as we head into Wednesday, that's when it gets a little dangerous and dicey out there, as the remnants of Fred will add to the effect of having severe weather out there. Look at that. And we could see maybe 2 rounds of it as the day progresses tomorrow into the evening time frame. So the Storm Prediction Center tomorrow, this is for tomorrow, has us in marginal risk, a scale of 1 to 5. It's a level 1. Flash flooding will be the primary threat, but also damaging wind, and we cannot rule out tornadoes for tomorrow. So we're definitely going to really need to stay weather aware tomorrow. Today, we should have the run-of-the-mill showers and thunderstorms, but nothing severe, as temperatures will be in the upper 80s. That's more seasonal. We should be at 87 degrees now for this time of the year. That's what I'm forecasting. But remember, more importantly, with the humidity, it's going to feel more like we are in the 90s. So it is going to feel hot as we go across the board. Now let's get a check of the traffic with Lauren.